Welcome back, guys. A lot of you might remember the time attack car that we campaigned up until 2021, the one that we've talked about many times that is coming back. Well, we're finally proud to say that the car is ready to go. Car is finished, tuned, ready to go. In this episode, we'll go over all the changes that were done to the car, all the improvements that were done. We know it's been a while, and we also have a special announcement. Hey guys, we are proud to announce that we will be producing 22B kits here in California. We were blessed to get our hands on the old Aerozim molds and tools. We revived them, and now we'll be producing those out of carbon here in California. There will be more to come regarding them. Soon we'll launch the website where you guys can place orders. Behind us is kit number one. This is Paul's car, which will be a very light, full carbon 22B or carbon fiber body kit, roof, trunk, hood, and we'll be swapping his 05 STI into it, and he'll be tracking that from now on. We're ready to start producing those body kits, so if you guys have any questions, shoot us an email with anything that you guys need to know about them, and we'll go from there. One of the biggest changes that we made to the car is obviously the body kit. The entire body kit is now made out of carbon fiber. My dad, Peter, he handmade the body kit, both front and rear quarter panels, to be wider to accommodate for bigger tires. So we'll be running 315s square now. Right now, these are 325 Pirelli slicks, but we're not going to be running those. These were just to have something for the car to be sat on. The front end is now molded together in terms of the bumper and the fenders are together, so the whole thing gets removed. The car in the back is significantly wider than it was, trying to keep up with the 22B arcs as much as we can, preserve that. The whole idea behind this was to shave a good amount of weight. The car used to be at about 2,500 pounds. We do hope to see 2,350 without me in it. The body does consist of carbon fiber bumper, fenders, hood, quarter panels, side skirts, the roof, the hood. There is no more rear bumper. The entire aero is made out of carbon fiber as well. So we tried to save as much weight as possible. Another thing we changed to lose some weight were the brakes. We went from the AP Racing Radical 2s to the Brembo Pistas, which saved us about 24 pounds. In terms of power, nothing has changed. It has a brand new motor in it, an IAG Stage 4 Extreme. After we lost the last engine, we went back to a wet sump using the IAG Competition Series oil pan kit, the Stage 2 oil pan, and we did add an AccuSump as well. The aero has been entirely reworked. New front splitter, new side skirts, new flat bottom, new diffuser. That is all yet to be tested, but as we go, we will make more improvements. The rebuild of this car actually started back in late 2021 or early 2022. The last event that this car attended was Global Time Attack Finals in 2021, after which we decided that if we're going to do a rebuild on the car, we're going to do it the proper way and add what was missing from the car. That is when my dad, Peter, got to work on the body kit, which definitely took a long time to sculpt than to be made out of carbon. After he was done sculpting it, the car went to Spinnaker. Brad at Spinnaker did the entire carbon fiber work on the body, after which the car went to Horns Collision for this beautiful blue paint. On the inside of the car, we did change some not so light things that were left over that were made out of Alumilite. The firewall to the trunk was redone out of carbon fiber, so it saved some weight there. Another thing that was also changed is we added paddle shifters to the car. That should also help improve the focus on driving. But let's take a look under the hood and see exactly what's under there. What we're running under the hood is a IAG Stage 4 Extreme block with obviously built heads. It's running the EFR 8374, which is the same turbo that we always ran, with a full race turbo kit. It has the same V-mount setup that we used to run. It has the NA intake manifold that has been ported and polished. So in terms of the powertrain of the car, there hasn't been too many changes. Small reworks, obviously removing the dry sump. We had to add the aero separator. On the dyno, the car made 520 to the wheels at wastegate and 709 at full tilt. The car will likely be ran usually at map 2 or 3, so roughly at about the 600 mark range. The transmission is a 6-speed sequential from PPG with the front, center, and rear Cusco differentials, carbon fiber drive shaft, and now we have the addition of the MME paddle shifters. The car has a full custom wiring from Turbo Joe. He's the one that tuned it as well through a Haltech 2500. We have also added traction control to the car now, so that'll be exciting to play around with, see how it can benefit us. We have a test day coming up this Saturday, which will be the first shakedown for the car. Hopefully that goes well. We'll be testing out all the new systems in the car. There's been a lot that's been redone that we have to make sure is in working order before we head up to Ridge for Global Time Attack. We do expect to have new suspension by the time we go to Ridge, but that is still in transit, so we might have to wait on that, but it will definitely be here for Laguna Seca. If you guys ever have any questions about this car, feel free to reach out. We're more than happy to share what's going on with the car. Some things might be changing as time goes on, but that's to be expected. Be sure to follow along for more upgrades as we head up to Ridge. Hopefully you guys will get an episode from the Ridge as well. Nick won't be with us, so might have to be vlog style, but we'll do our best. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully we can bring you more and more of these, more and more of this car. We do have some pretty big goals in terms of lap times, and hopefully we'll take you guys along for the ride.